This is calculator question number 28. The College Board is asking about the equation of a quadratic, a parabola that opens up, and they ask which of the following is displayed as a constant or coefficient in this equation. Choice A is the y-coordinate of the vertex. You would see the y-coordinate of the vertex if you had the equation in vertex form, but this is not vertex form, so choice A is not correct. Choice B, the x-intercept or x-intercepts, you would see those if you had the equation in factored form, but this is not factored. Choice C, the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the y value when x equals 0. If I put in x equals 0, I get y equals 0 plus 2, which is y equals 2 when x equals 0. The y-intercept is 2, and that is in fact this constant in the equation, so C is the correct answer. Choice D is the x-intercept of the line of symmetry. That's also the x-coordinate of the vertex for this parabola, and again, we are not in vertex form, so we do not see that. If you're unsure of this, this is a calculator question. Graph it. The parabola looks something like this. The vertex is at x equals -1, y equals -1. And we don't see a -1 for y. We don't see the line of symmetry is x equals -1, and we don't see that. So that rules out choices A and D. The x-intercepts are irrational numbers. You can find them using the quadratic formula, but they are not 2, 3, or 6, positive or negative. So choice B is wrong, and that leaves only C, which is the same thing I found without the calculator. College Board often asks you about the constants or coefficients in the graph of a linear or quadratic equation, and it's important to be able to identify the slope and intercept in context and convert from the values in the equation to the word problem, or from the word problem to the values in the equation, and the same for a quadratic. Congratulations to my students who graduated last night and are moving on to college, and come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.